Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. We are from group 3. Today we will explain about scoring information system. Enjoy this presentation. Okay, before that let me introduce our team. First, my name is Hazratul Sabila. The next member there are Putri Julianti Tampubolon, Umi Hanifah, Neneng and Firman Syaputra. And for the first presentation will be explained by Neneng.
My name is Neneng. I will explain about slide 3 and 4. What is a scoring information system? As protection of information or information system from unauthorized access, use, interference, modification, and destruction. Okay, next slide. Why are systems vulnerable? Systems are vulnerable because they are interconnected and can be accessed from any point in the connection. This interconnectivity increases the possibility for unauthorized access to private and sensitive material, fraud, misuse, or abuse. And then why are systems vulnerable? First, hardware problem, software problem, disasters, and accessibility of the network, and then use of network or computer outside from control, and then loss and death of portable device, and last, internet vulnerabilities.
Okay guys, I will explain about the type of system vulnerabilities. There are first, internet vulnerabilities, wireless security challenges, malware. There are two types of malware. First, malicious software and malware count. Next, hacker and computer crime, spoofing, sniper, denial of service attack or tools, distributed denial of service attack. Next, computer crime, identity theft, phishing, evil twins, palming, click fraud, cyber terrorism and cyber warfare. And internal threats, as an example, employers. And the last, software vulnerability.
Okay, I will continue the presentation from my friend Hajratul Sabila. The next presentation about business value of security and control. Well, business value of security and control. Here are some part. The first, failed computer system can lead to significant or total loss of business function. The second, firms now more vulnerable than ever. The third, security breach may cut into firms' market value almost immediately. The fourth, inadequate security and control also bring forth issue of liability. The five, legal and regulatory requirement for electronic record management and privacy protection. The six, electronic evidence, and the last, computer forensic. Now, discover the more uncomfortable the term that appears when security is carried out to the impression of being more complicated and reduce the comfort that has been enjoyed before. Information security can be interpreted as an effort made to prevent and deal with criminal acts related to information and try to overcome the impact caused by these crimes. Threats to information security and their impact are very diverse. One example of an information security threat to individual that we often encounter is ATM card skimming. The scammer will easily duplicate the ATM and drain the victim money. An effective way to prevent skimming is to change the ATM PIN code and immediately replace two types of ATM card with a card equipped with a chip. Okay, the next, legal and regulatory requirement for electronic record management and privacy protection. HIPAA, Medical Security and Privacy Rule and Procedure. The second, Graham-Leach Act, requires financial institute to ensure the security and confidentiality of customer data. The third, Sarbanes-Oxley Act, impose responsibility on companies and their management to safeguard the accuracy and integrity of financial information that is used internally and released externally. Next, electronic evidence. The first evidence for white-collar crime often in digital form. Data on computers, email, instant message, e-commerce transaction. The second, proper control of data can save time and money when responding to legal discovery requests. Then, computer forensic. The first, scientific collection, examination, authentication, preservation, and analysis of data from computer storage media for us as evidence in court of law. The second, recovery of ambient and hidden data.
Establishing a framework for security and control, information system control, manual and automatic control, general and application control. General control governs the security and as of the computer program and the security of that file in the general threat organization information technology infrastructure. There are several types of general control: software control, hardware control, computer operation control, data security control, implementation control, administration control. Application control, specific control unique to a computer's application, such as the firewall or order processing. Risk assessment, determine the level risk to from in the specific or process is not properly controlled. Security policy, raise information risk, identify activable security goals, and the independent mechanism for assessing the goals. Identity management, business process and the tool, independent valid of system and the control access. Disaster recovery plan, display fast for the restoration of disaster service. Business continue plan, focus on the restoring business operation after disaster. Ms. Audi example frame overall security environment as well as the control governing individual information system. Identity management software, automate capital all as and the phasing of the databases, processing independent controlling access. Authentication, password system, token, smart card. Firewall, combination of hardware and the software that provides auditing of the from accessing private network.
Technology and tools for protection information system. Intrusion detection system, a method that can be used to detect activity in a system or network. Antivirus and anti-spyware software. Software that is designed to prevent, detect, and take action to disarm or eliminate malicious program or malware. Unified Threat Management (UTM) system, a security system that is able to combine several security features such as firewall, antivirus, gateway, and intrusion. Securing wireless network, prevention of unauthorized access to or damage to computer or data using wireless network, including Wi-Fi network. Encryption, message encoding program so that it cannot be read by other or the information cannot be known by other without special knowledge. Digital certificate, a document in electronic form used to prove ownership of a device using a public key. Public key infrastructure, a way for authentication, data security, and anti-denial tools, ensuring system availability. Online transaction process requires 100% availability, no downtime. Fault-tolerant computer system. A system that can contain its work properly despite hardware failures and software error. High availability computing. The design of a production environment that can minimize failure where there are other systems that can replace so that the production process is not disrupted. Recovery-oriented computing. Design system that recover quickly with a capability to help operator pinpoint and correct a fault in multi-component system. Controlling network traffic. The process of managing, controlling, or reducing network traffic, specifically internet and bandwidth. Security outsourcing. Manage security service profit. Security in the cloud. Responsibility for security reside with company owning the data. Securing mobile platform. Security policies include recovery and special requirement for mobile device. Ensuring software quality. Software metric objective assessment of system information on quantitative measurement. Number of transactions. Online response time. Viral check printed per hour. Kernel bug per 100 line of coding.